conversation with Whitley part 2. Just 2. Not 3, because we deleted 2. This is 2.
No,
this is
no, you're not touching
Give me
this.
that.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm
Laughing.
talking to Whitley.
Yeah, we seriously are.
She's on. We're leaving her message. Wonder Years is on? Okay.
Okay.
That was my dad, by the way.
Yeah, I don't think they saw it.
Aunt.
Aunt, what is it? Oh man, this is too funny. Whitley, you're gonna have a fun time doing this.
Yeah.
See us now. At that time, 3 minutes
3
and
minutes.
51 seconds. I think that's backwards to them.
Yeah.
Or is it
Actually,
just
no.
backwards to us?
Backwards to us. I
Oh
think.
yeah, because it flipped it.
Really?
So like that hair that's sticking out on that side is actually
Yeah.
sticking out on that side.
Really? Whoa.
Dude, so that means my
See, like-
earrings on that side.
Aw, dang it, didn't
Earring.
work.
You don't have an earring.
Yeah, look.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Oh dang, we maxed out our answering machine.
Oh.
Oh.
What?
I think. Or is it starting a new message?
Wait, was that the beep?
That was that beep.
That was a second beep.
That was the second
Whitley,
beep.
are you still
Wait,
there?
wait.
Okay,
She can't
well,
answer you. It's a message machine.
forgot about that.
Anyways.
Okay, well, this is Mini Z.
Biddy B.
Antonio, we are out.
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 Out. Hold
Out.
on, let me push
out,
the button.
Out. No, no, no.